In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color to a drop-down list in Google Sheets. If you want your spreadsheet to look cleaner and be easier to scan, adding color to drop-down options is a simple but very effective trick. It helps different choices stand out visually, which can make tracking status, categories, or priorities much faster. To get started, open your Google Sheet and select the cell, or even the entire column where you want the drop-down menu to appear. This is important because the drop-down will be applied exactly to the area you highlight. If you only need it in one spot, click a single cell. If you want the same drop-down used throughout a column, highlight that full range before moving on. Once your cell or column is selected, right-click the highlighted area and choose drop-down from the menu. That will open the setup panel you need. If you prefer using the top toolbar instead of right-clicking, T here is another way to reach the same place. Simply click Insert in the top menu bar, then select Dropdown. Both methods do the same thing, so you can use whichever feels more natural. When the Data Validation Rules sidebar opens on the right side of your screen, this is where you'll customize the drop-down options. Under the Criteria section, you'll see each text item listed, and to the left of each one, T here is a small circular color icon. These icons control the color assigned to each option in the list. Click the circular icon next to any option to open the color palette. You can choose one of the preset shades if you want something quick and simple, or click Customize if you want a more specific color. Custom colors are especially helpful if you are trying to match a theme or use a particular visual system in your sheet. Continue this same process for each item in your drop-down list, assigning a color to every option you want to highlight. It's a good idea to choose colors that are visually distinct from one another, so the list is easy to read at a glance. After you've finished coloring all of your list items, click Done at the bottom of the sidebar to save your changes. Your drop-down list will now include the colors you selected, making your Google Sheet more organized and much easier to work with. That's it, you've successfully added color to a drop-down list in Google Sheets.